Hey guys, it's Bob Moriali here. I'd like to welcome you to your course, Getting Started with HP Tuners. From this sensor into the HP Tuners unit. And I always like starting people with the VCM scanner because it's really what you're going to start learning with on the car, because your goal is going to be, as a good tuner, to learn what the car is telling you. All right guys, so we're here in the car. I've got my MPVI3. I'm going to go ahead and first connect it up underneath the dashboard to have a decent little scan. My O2 sensors are starting to warm up, and man, it's got a good little chop to it. I'll rev it up, and then we'll stop the log. Like, you could right click here, and then you can go to units, and you could say, I want to look at that in a different unit. We are ready to download our tune file for the first time. I'm going to go ahead and hit the little green re-vehicle icon. Now, it's 800. And I'm going to click the equals button. And as the coolant temp, you're literally at this point ready to go make an upload to the car for the changes that you just made. So let's go out to the car, do an upload, show you how it goes. So we're going to go ahead and do our write. It's going to take 30 seconds for this thing to upload. All right, write is complete. We are good to go. In this course, we're going to cover everything from what do you need to buy, or maybe you already have your HP Tuners unit and your things that you need to get tuning with, all the way through installing the software, how do the credits work, opening up the VCM scanner, understanding how the channels and the charts work, uploading, downloading. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll see you there.